Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. When you have some friends and you want to do something a little bit different, homemade, I suggest that you take some chickpea or garbanzo beans and you mix them with some paprika, some cumin, some Espelette pepper if you have, lemon zest, cacao nibs. Cacao nibs work very well with that. And you just mix everything together and you put that in the oven for about 40 minutes. And when they come out, those chickpeas are crunchy and delicious. So I have the chickpea here. I just drain them. Then I have all the spices that I mentioned inside the bowl. A little bit of cacao nibs. Be generous with that, it's always good, and that adds a lot of flavor. And then you mix all that together. Mix, all those spices together. Put a couple of those garbanzo beans on the floor. I'm in trouble with my wife now. Okay, so when everything is mixed together, just taste it. Need some salt. Okay, and I'm going to put that into the oven. First on the bowl, like that, on the tray, with parchment paper. Just be careful that you have only one layer, and that's it. I'm going to put that in the oven, 30 to 40 minutes until they become nice and crunchy. So I just put them in the oven and I realized I forget the olive oil. So I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil on top of everything. When in doubt, add butter or olive oil, always. And I have to say, I love this little toy here. It's great for putting olive oil on top of anything. Okay, let's go back to the oven. Okay, so the chickpea or the garbanzo beans dried with the cocoa nibs are ready. And I don't know if you can hear that crunch, but it's delicious. And the flavor of the chickpea is mild, but all the spice that I put in it come through your nose. It's really nice. Take about 45 minutes at 350 to cook them. But this is something very different. It's something delicious. And the cacao nibs in between give a little bit more crunch, which is really, really, really nice. I hope you try it. Bon appétit.